So this is video number 12, and this is the final message on how to get your offer accepted, or leveraged ways of how to get your offer accepted. These are just a little bit out of the box, non-traditional ways that I've shared with you in this video series. Of course, all of them are not guaranteed for your offer to be accepted, but they most certainly will have your offer stand out and maybe a little bit more than your competing offer or your competition. Not all offers are multiple offers, or do you have competition, but you'll also stand out to the seller on how serious you are with your purchase offer and how much more willing you will do that's non-traditional, how much more maybe you step up your game, that you really want the house of your dreams. So I hope this video series was helpful. Of course, anytime, reach out to me, Christine Serafini, 518-514-8830. I'm always here. Any questions, buying or selling, or investing in properties for that matter. Just always remember, Serafini sells homes.